Today we're going to talk about experience. It's very important that we give you, number one, the best results that you can have, but I'm really focused on patient experience. There's several reasons for that. One, it's great to have fun when you come to see me. I have fun every day I come to work, and my staff has fun every day. I think you're going to be able to sense that. But in addition to that, what's really important, let's take some examples of why experience is so important. I'm going to take two experiences in particular and explain to you why I think they're very important. Botox and hair restoration. Let's take the example of Botox. Yes, I hopefully will give you a better result with Botox than anywhere else, but in addition to that, I want you to get the best experience with me. What does experience mean? Well, first of all, a lack of discomfort. Even a minimal degree of discomfort really bothers me. Minimal bruising, hopefully. All these little things make a big difference, because I always say that if you have to make another trip, so to speak, and you need to, because Botox is one of those things that you're going to need to come back for more than one time. If I can make that experience for you a pleasurable almost one, or favorable one, then it's not just struggling to get a result, and then maybe your consistency is not as good. But it becomes a very important element to the equation, because if you go, look, it wasn't that bad. Hey, I've been to several places and was pretty miserable, but this was pretty good. Then that makes it much easier. The other thing is hair loss. Hair loss is also progressive, and you continue to lose hair, and you may need another hair transplant in the future. I have a lot of patients that come to me that have been to other places that basically give you a pill and start injecting you, and it's very uncomfortable, or they don't protect the nerve and blood supply in the backside, and they're walking through for about 2 weeks bloated, swollen, and discomfort, and they go, boy, I need more hair, but there's no way I'm going to go through that experience again. So I always say that, there's two ways to go to London, first class or economy. There's nothing wrong with economy. I actually fly economy most of the time. But I was just using that as a metaphor to say that I want to give you a first-class experience when you come through to me, because you really deserve it. I think when we're giving elective care, it's not just about a great result, which is really the number one reason you're coming to me, but I really look at experience as being a twin to results and being just as important. So I really want to focus for you today to try to have you understand that the experience is so important. We do patient surveys, we do staff surveys to look at their satisfaction with the business. I do temperature checks with my staff all the time, and we do temperature checks with my patients. So I encourage you, if something wasn't quite right with the experience, I just want to make sure that you deliver that information to me so that I can make those changes. So sometimes I'm just not aware of it. So hopefully this video on experience versus results gives you an idea of how important both of those are to me and why. Why?